Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow tomatoes. Now, tomatoes are probably the most used fruit, or some people still call it a vegetable, in the whole world. And they're actually a vine plant. And the easiest way to grow them is to either buy them already growing in a container or start the seeds inside in March, even February, March. And once they're started to grow a little bit, and it starts to warm up outside, there's no chance of freeze, actually wait till it gets over 60 degrees every day for a week or two and doesn't fall below 60 at night is the best time to plant them outside because they really don't like to be too cold. And when you plant your tomatoes, make sure that they're on a vine and that vine has to grow onto something. So many times you can get a tomato cage or you put them up to a trellis or you can just even hang them in containers and then just put them onto strings and they'll continue to grow and produce tomatoes late summer through fall. They're a very, very rewarding plant. And deer do love them and other animals like them, so I've found you need to put them in a protected area because they will get eaten by birds. You can always put a net over them or just keep them protected from animals and they'll grow really well. And I just put tomato cages around them and let them keep producing tomatoes all summer through the fall. And I just cut back the dead branches as they die back and they'll grow more and more and more. And they're an easy garden plant to grow. You just need the seeds. And whether you call them tomato or tomato, they're a great plant for your garden.